Good morning, guys. Saturday. I almost said Sunday. It's Saturday. Just got a little coffee.
A little bit.
Oh no. We're gonna walk to get some breakfast. Later start today. Actually slept till like 7.
Alright.
Which is fine because we did a lot of walking yesterday. I wish I had a rain jacket. It's starting to rain.
Umbrella in the car.
I think we'll be okay.
Okay. It's not too horrible.
No, we're gonna try a different place for breakfast this morning. And yeah, probably
Soulfully Good.
Yeah, that's the place that we're gonna go. I think it's called is it Soulfully Good Cafe or?
I think it's Soulfully Good Cafe.
And then we'll come back, pack up, and then I think hopefully it's gonna get sunny. We'll go in to like look at the shops and get some lunch before heading home. That's our plan of the day. Look at the Woodstock Inn, so cute. We love it here.
Fogs covering the...
Oh yeah, there's a huge mountain right there. You can't even see it. That's crazy. Alright, we are checking out. It's been so fun, I don't want to leave. But we're gonna check out and then go walk around town a little more before we head out. And head home.
Grab some lunch. I don't know where we're going.
I don't either. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back from Vermont. It's Sunday. I don't even know, it's 10:40 right now. So we got up early this morning. Worked out. We went to mow his grandmother's lawn.
Grandmothers.
Is that what I said?
Sounded like you said that.
And worked out, cleaned up the house a little bit, had some breakfast.
And Grandma, if you watch these, you gave me a scare this morning. Leave a note next time or something.
You didn't know where she was.
You leave your phone and your car and everything. I was losing it.
I need a bag for in here. But anyway, we're back from Vermont. Getting back on track after vacation. Just wanted to take you guys along with what we're doing. It's Sunday, so gotta prepare for the week. We're gonna go to Trader Joe's right now, get some groceries. We usually go to Hannaford for grocery shopping.
Last?
Actually, yeah.
So let's return the stuff.
Yeah, so I ordered these, like, what I thought were like food storage, like canister containers from, what?
You can use them, it's just, you want the suction.
Well, hold on, I hadn't gotten there yet. So I'd ordered these food, like, they look like cookie jars, really, from Bed Bath & Beyond. And they came, and they're not airtight, and you need to have the airtight to store, like, your flour, sugar, Oh, and the big ones are broken. So I don't know how that's gonna go. But we're gonna return them. Because I tried to call and no one answered. I was literally on hold for an hour. We need to return those. We need to pick up a few things and then go to Trader Joe's because we're out of groceries. Yeah, oh, I was saying that we don't usually go to Trader Joe's, but we decided we're gonna try to do a full shop this week at Trader Joe's. Yeah, just Sunday things. All right, returning was successful. We walked around a little bit and looked around, and we actually ended up getting other, I don't know what you call them, like food storage containers.
That's a good one.
Good Grips is what it's called. And they're...
Come on, muscles.
These. We got 2 of them. So hopefully it'll work. It's like the little pop top kind. Yeah.
You saved $8.
Yeah, we got 20% off and we used the money that I'd already spent on the other ones. So it was like 34, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was like
30. The receipt right here.
6 maybe.
34.72 for 2 of those. Those were each $41. I think the credit that we had because from the other ones was like 30
something bucks.
30s. Yeah, whatever. I don't know. Pretty much we got them. It was a good deal. Now we need to go to the Dollar Tree.
Boom.
And then we need to go to Trader Joe's. Hopefully it's not busy, but it probably will be.
I'm smiling underneath.
We didn't get everything, but a good amount, all the produce.
Little sums, little dinners here and there. I think actually I technically bought 3 dinners.
Pizza.
I got my burritos. That's 4 dinners.
No, we got stuff for the stir fry. We're back. So, let's see what we got. Blueberries. Let me back this up. Come on. Okay. That's a little bit better. All right, so I got some blueberries. We got a lot of produce. Broccoli, florets, is that what they're called? For a stir fry. We got some baby lettuce mix for wraps. We're having buffalo cauliflower this week, so we'll put that in there. We got half a dozen eggs because we have some, but you never know. I got some organic strawberries because the organic ones are better and they're like 50 cents more. Some cauliflower for the buffalo cauliflower, like I said. We got some spicy jalapeno chicken sausage for pizza and stir fry. We got the grilled chicken breasts, like the pre-made ones, for wraps this week for lunch. Oh my goodness. Chicken chili verde burritos. Dylan got these for dinner this week. Some green beans. We didn't have green beans and haddock and potatoes, but they didn't have haddock. So we're gonna have to get that another day. Got some pesto for the pizza and just for pasta if we want to do that. I get the vegan kale cashew basil pesto. I've gotten this before and it's so good. And then we got some chicken, fried rice, and regular fried rice just as like backup meals if we ever need like a meal. Does that make sense? Dylan got the raspberry spiked seltzers. I wanted to try these. They're like, are they Trader Joe's brand? No, the Shell House. I don't know, they look good. We've got this pizza crust, which definitely is not healthy, but it looks really good. I got a birthday card. Got some Pinot Grigio. I don't know how to pronounce that name, but this was just the one they had on special this week for like $5.99 or something. Got some bananas. Got some coconut oil cooking spray because we're out of cooking spray and I wanted to get coconut oil and not like the chemical kind, you know. Also got coconut aminos because this is so expensive at Hannaford. It was like $2.99 and it's good for when I make pad see ew and for when we make stir fry this week. I got some nectarines. Here's like where all of like the bags are. Oh, I got these two little cold brew black iced coffees because I'm almost out of Stokes and I'm gonna get more at the grocery store, but I thought I would just try these to hold me over. Honestly, their iced coffee was like $5 for a little tiny little thing and I was like, what? Green pepper. I have to take these out of the bag anyway. Oh my goodness. Red pepper. Got some tomatoes, some apples, yum, such a good snack on peanut butter, avocados, I have one of those, part of one of those for lunch right now, a sweet potato, red onion, and a regular potato. So that's everything we got. It was like $82, but we eat a lot of produce, so. I don't know what to tell you. And we got wine and seltzers, so. Yeah, that's everything we got. I'm gonna put this all away and then we're gonna have some lunch. And then probably get working on those food storage thingamabobs. Cleaning those and... Alright, I just washed all of these. I cannot wait for the day we have a dishwasher. But Dylan and I are gonna go out in different directions. We're gonna go our separate ways.
Cutting it like that.
Ready? Thumbnail.
Wait, why am I looking the opposite way?
I don't know. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We're going our separate ways.
I got all my stuff.
He's got his boxes.
I got my boxes. Gonna make a great house out there. She gets the apartment. You know how that goes.
Jeez. Anyway, I'm gonna go to like Marshall's or Home Goods or something and look for a few things.
You any cash on you?
Why?
Just kidding. Could use some extra money. Just got kicked out of my apartment.
But yeah, so I'm gonna go to Marshall's, Home Goods. He's gonna go to his work for a sec and then we'll meet back here because Molly's coming over in like an hour. I totally forgot to vlog, but it's now raining and like thundering. I got a few good things. I didn't get anything for a birthday present like I was looking for, but I did get a pair of sheets and some hand towels, some washcloths because we need more of those. We literally do not have enough. And then I got a basket. I got 3 baskets. So hopefully those will work out. Now I'm gonna head home because Molly's probably like on her way or at our house right now. So I'm gonna head back and start organizing. So I got these, but I just walked in and realized they're probably too small. I don't know. But I got these baskets. I don't think I go in there. I don't know. They're too small. I got these hand towels. Just right.
Oh, those are nice.
Plain. I got 2 of these. I got a pack of washcloths.
Nice.
I got this basket.
And some Sheets.
And I got a pair of sheets. They're microbial sheet set. It says it kills bacteria.
Huh. That's good.
I don't know, but I got some sheets. I was between these ones and this other pair that was like white, but I thought I'd just get one for now. Yeah.
That's soft.
They were 20 bucks, and I was between these and the white, like the white version of this, but I thought. So this is what Dylan accomplished this afternoon. What were you just doing, babe?
Take a little photo shoot.
You sending it to your friends?
Of course I am.
You're silly. I like it. I got this for Dylan for his birthday. A little Ferrari Lego set. You might need to clean your windshield there, buddy. It's a little foggy. Oh my goodness. So I'm starting dinner. We're gonna have jalapeno chicken sausage pizza, which we made a few weeks ago. It's really good. So I'm heating up the sausages and then preheating the oven. I'm gonna do pesto as the base of mine, and Dylan's will just have regular sauce. And then we do tomato and onion. And I found some basil in our fridge that I'm gonna put on the top of mine once it comes out. Oh my word. What have I done? You broke a piece?
No, I just popped out.
Oh. Also, I've gotten Dylan listening to the Skinny Confidential with me, and I think he likes it. Do you like it, babe?
I do. What's her face?
Lauren?
She's just like
He thinks
me.
she's funny. She's just like you?
Just don't
He thinks I'm... Is his name Michael? Michael, and he's Lauren.
Well, because, like, she doesn't have a filter. Or do I?
We got little personal pizzas. I'm gonna cut it up. Dylan already cut his up.
Boom!
Look, first bite. Wait, it's blurry. Okay.
One bite, everyone knows the rules. I like that.
Good?
That bread's good.
Good. Hi guys, so we ended up watching the first episode of the new season of Shameless, and now Dylan's playing video games, and I'm just gonna chill. I just posted a story on the MacDonald Media Instagram because that's launching tomorrow. So go check out MacDonald Media Management on Instagram if you haven't. That's my new social media business. And I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing us get back on track. We had a really busy day. I feel like I didn't film a lot of like the busyness, but got a lot done. I don't think I showed these, but these are the canisters that we got, or the food storage containers, I guess. We just have all-purpose flour, self-rising flour, or the other way around. I don't know. I labeled them on the bottom. Some oats and some sugar. And they just have like the little pop top. I have 2 more of these sizes, so I'll probably get some brown sugar and then I don't know what else to put into a smaller one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.